this is Kaden again, and still me as at the movie theater. But we got some new things, 3 things. But let's open up this first. And it looks like we got Shawnee Hanks. This one, what are we gonna get? Oh, say we got, instead of this egg, we got the chicken. And then the last thing is, wow, little apple, orange. Well, it comes with 2 different oranges, 2 different kind of oranges, one with his tongue out and one happy. And then we got pear. And bye-bye. Hope you subscribe, hit the like button, and bye.